Why? Some call it innovation. I call it invasion. My opponents had beautifully painted a picture of progress. But let me uncover the shadows behind it. Yes, AI may be intelligent, but it lacks what makes us truly human. Morality, empathy, and control. It does not ask, should I? It only answers, can I? And that your audience, where the trade begins. So let's start from the school in the US, where facial recognition wrongly flags a student as a criminal. This student meets her scholarship interview, her future damaged, her dignity stolen by a camera without cosigns. AI judge her, not based on truth, but on code. It doesn't see a child, it sees data. And sometimes it gets it horribly wrong. So tell my dear friends, is AI is helping to make our education or it is destroying our future? It's okay. AI is powerful, but when power is unregulated, it can become dangerous. It's true that AI is being used for the care of elder people, to talk to them or remind them of their medicine. But tell my dear friends, if a soft robotic voice enough, is that the love our elders deserve? Or we are replacing human touch with robotic simulation. But it doesn't stop here. So now let's step into the world of creativity, where AI generated painting won first prize in global art contest. But the human artist replaced, ignored, forgotten. Are we truly appreciating art or just perfect patterns created without soul? My opponent says that AI did not replace the humans, but I think it is replacing our identity. Didn't you think that AI replaced the human artist, human skills, human talent? Let's not forget how AI is manipulating our moods and emotions every single day. Platforms use AI to decide what you feel, what you think, what you see. Anger spread faster, so AI shows more of it. Negativity gets more like, so AI fixes it. And what about emotional harm? Many turn to AI chatbots for company, especially mentally or lonely stress. But behind the screen, AI may not truly help. It can force the sadness, give best answer, or make the person dependent on something that doesn't feel, doesn't get, and doesn't truly exist. But have you ever asked a simple question to yourself? What does it take to keep this powerful AI system cool? Any guesses? Yes, of course, water. But not a few buckets. Millions of liters every single day. Freshable water is silently drained to cool machines, while countless villages are still waiting for clean water to drink. Is this the future we dream of, where servers is cooler than a thirsty child? My opponent says AI empowers the disabled, but only if they can afford it. Smart lanes, voice commands, and brain computer devices only look great in tech shows. But what about the child in the village who can't speak? Or the blind man with no one to guide him? Yes, AI can help, but it hasn't reached the one who needs it. And it, we are calling it revolution. And it, we are calling it progress, intelligence, and future. But is it? It's true that my opponent says AI is building a smart tomorrow. But I ask, how and at what cost? It is losing our jobs, purpose, and values. In the conclusion, I only want to tell you that we are getting something smarter than us, but not kinder than us. And the real question is not